Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make veg lollipops. These are fun after school snacks for kids or for your next party. They are very easy to make, very fun looking. People will enjoy it. Kids really love it. I'm going to show you how to make them now. Let's get started. Come on. We will start by sauteing the finely chopped onions for a few seconds. No need to cook them down. Try to crush the garlic and ginger as finely as possible. Just saute for a few seconds. These are very finely chopped green beans. Try to chop all the veggies as finely as you can so they cook evenly and blend well with the final dish. Adding salt at this stage will bring out the moisture of the veggies and help them cook quickly. I have grated the carrots with a fine grater to keep all the veggies consistency equal. Every time I add any veggies, I'll mix and cook as we go. These are frozen peas. I have just thawed them at room temperature. You can replace the red pepper with any other colored pepper you like. Once the veggies are cooked, we will start adding the spices and seasoning. You can add chopped green chilies instead of the red chili powder if you like. Mix well and adjust the seasonings if you like at this stage. Now, kasuri methi will give this dish a nice boost in flavor once it's cooked. Now the peas need to be crushed slightly so that they blend well later. Don't make a paste, just mash slightly. Now this is the perfect consistency for binding and we will keep this aside to cool a bit. Here I have boiled and mashed the potatoes. The cornstarch will make the binding easy and the chaat masala will impart a nice flavor to the coating. I'm also adding green onions and fresh coriander leaves to give a nice vibrant taste to the lollipops. Mix this well. Now this is the cool veggie mixture. Add this to the potatoes and start mixing these together. Here I have some popsicle sticks which I will use for making the lollipops. Now this is store-bought breadcrumbs which has some seasoning already, but you can use regular breadcrumbs or even panko breadcrumbs if you like. Now let's make the lollipops. Take a small amount of mixture and press together. Insert the popsicle stick and press the mixture well to secure it onto the stick like so. Take your time and press well on all sides. Roll it in the breadcrumbs mixture to coat it well all around. Looks lovely, isn't it? Make all of them similarly and shallow fry in medium hot oil a few at a time, turning them to cook evenly. Once all of them are ready, these get fried very quickly. Look how amazing these have come out, and this dish will be an instant hit with the kids and the adults equally. Thanks for watching. They were some fun snacks, right? I hope you like this recipe. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any of those amazing recipes that I'll be showing you in the future. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.